The Bird Book. There are many kinds of birds. Each one lives in a special place. Some birds live along the shores of oceans. That is where the herring gull lives. It likes to eat fish. The mallard duck is a good swimmer. It lives near ponds and lakes. Red-winged blackbirds live in wet places. In the spring, they always seem to be singing. The scarlet tanager and the western tanager are cousins. They live in the woods, each in a different part of the country. The house sparrow and starling live in the city and countryside. They stay through the winter when most other birds fly south. The Baltimore oriole builds a deep nest and lives there with its mate and babies. The house wren is a small bird and lives in a small house. It is friendly and makes a good neighbor. Purple martins enjoy company and live in bird apartments. They eat many mosquitoes. Some birds are tiny. The ruby-throated hummingbird uses its long bill to get food from flowers. The bald eagle is very large. When its wings are stretched, they are as long as a tall man. The red-tailed hawk is another large bird. As it circles in the sky, its sharp eyes see many things. Birds eat many kinds of food. Robins eat worms and insects and cherries. Crows like the farmer's corn, and they also eat insects. Crows live together in large families. The goldfinch's short, strong bill is good for eating thistle and dandelion seeds. The red-headed woodpecker pecks at tree trunks, looking for insects. In the winter, you can feed the birds. The noisy blue jay will eat at a feeding station. So will the bright red cardinal. In the spring, you can hear many birds sing. Meadowlarks often sing from the tops of fence posts. The wood thrush is not a very colorful bird, but it sings a clear, beautiful song. In the quiet of the evening, this bird sings its name. Whippoorwill, whippoorwill. And in the night, the great horned owl hoots its call